If you have an online course and you also create content on YouTube, what's the best way to sell your course? Should you, in your YouTube videos, send people directly to your course? In other words, should you use YouTube to promote your course directly, like go buy my course? Or should you send people to your lead magnet and then sell your course through email? I'm gonna argue for why it's better, in my opinion, and I think I'm right, to sell your course through email using a lead magnet. This is day 14 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days, and I got this question from one of my subscribers. He asked me, is it too strong to promote your course at the end of the video? And what I said to him is what I'm gonna say to you. Essentially, it might work. I've definitely seen people do it, but I think there are very compelling reasons why YouTube is not the best place to promote your course directly, and instead you should send people to a landing page that has your lead magnet, then use Kajabi, its email system, its landing pages and such, to sell your course from there. I'm gonna tell you why in this video. Like I said, this is video 14 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We're taking 90 days to go through Kajabi, and I've been talking a lot about lead magnets and landing pages and email sequences. And so I wanted to spend this video to kind of talk about the why behind the what, because there is a purpose and some intentionality behind why I choose this sequencing, and we'll get into that in this video. If you're interested in trying out Kajabi, be sure to use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get two pretty cool things. One is a 45-minute Zoom call with me. We're gonna talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, answer any questions that you have about getting on the platform and getting started making an income right away. You'll also get my $25,000 course launch email template, the exact emails, email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I want to give you both of those things for free as a way to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it, so I appreciate it very much. Okay, so let's talk now about how to sell a course if you're a content creator. Option 1 is you create content on YouTube, and maybe in certain videos you say, hey, I have a course about this topic. The link below is to my course. Go check it out. And they can click that link, go straight to a sales page, and they can buy your course. And I definitely have seen people do this, and I've seen people do this well. The reason why I much prefer the second option, you instead offer them even more value for free in a lead magnet. Maybe it's a guide, maybe it's a PDF of some kind, maybe it's a checklist, maybe it's an assessment to help them figure out a problem that you're helping them solve. Whatever it is, what you're trying to do is not just send them to a sales page where they can decide to buy or not to buy, but you want to send them to a landing page where, to get the free thing that you're offering, you're going to get something of value from them, and that is their email address. With their email address and with having them in your system, you pretty much guarantee that you're going to be able to offer them your course in the future, in the very near future. In fact, one of the strategies that I use, and I'll talk about this in later videos, is the thank you page strategy, where literally right when they download the lead magnet, the very next thing they see is a video from me saying, hey, thank you so much for grabbing the guide. It's on its way to your inbox right now. While it's on its way there, I want to tell you about a special offer that I have for you. Click below to get 10% off my course, whatever. That could be a really effective strategy if you want to sell. That could be a really effective strategy if you want to offer the course right away. But I want to tell you why I prefer one option over the other. Let's talk about option A, YouTube video straight to a sales page. So much of this goes back to the value that I put on creating an actual relationship with a person instead of just something that's transactional. It's very transactional to watch a video and go buy a product. What's more relational is to watch a video and then give me your email address so that I can continue to communicate with you. I might be able to offer you more value, offer you awesome products that will serve you well, maybe one-on-one coaching, and we can actually have a relationship versus watch a video, buy a product. I also think it's more effective. One of the things that we base everything on in online business is know, like, and trust. We want people to know us, to like us, and to trust us. Someone needs to see a lot of your content before they start to know you. You need to be likable and helpful for them to like you, and they need to get results from your content before they start to trust you. Those things happen over time, and you can accelerate that process if you have their email address and you're able to continue to offer them value, put them through your automated sequence, and offer them your products. You don't get that when they go straight from a video to a sales page. That's very transactional. It's not as relational, which means you miss out on some of that know, like, and trust factor. And then finally, let's say they click on it and they decide, you know what, it's not for me, I'm not gonna buy, maybe I'll come back to it later. The chances of them remembering who you are, what the course is called, and how to access it are minuscule. People move very quickly, they watch content very fast, and they move on to the next thing. By getting their email address, you can continue to show up in their inbox, be top of mind, and it might be 6 months or a year down the road when you offer something that they really want, that you're able to make a sale. But either way, you get the relationship, you get the know, like, and trust, and you get a far greater opportunity to have a customer for life versus just someone who takes a look at a sales page and has a 1 out of 100 chance of actually purchasing. So that's why in this series, I've been encouraging you to go from content to offering that lead magnet to email sequence. If you wanna know how all that fits together, check out the videos leading up to this one. I explain all of that in more detail, and we'll continue to get into more detail about all of that in future videos. At this point, you can go ahead and try out Kajabi using my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, because I don't want you to miss any of these videos. We're having a lot of fun. It's been awesome so far, so I wanna make sure you're a part of it. And let me know in the comments below what questions you have, and I'll answer them throughout this series, just like in this video here. So at this point, go ahead and check out this playlist right here on Kajabi if you have more questions, or you can wait for the next video to play. I'll see you tomorrow.